In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw the ChatGPT logo. To get started, take a moment to prepare your materials. You'll need a pencil, an eraser, a sheet of paper, and any coloring materials you want to use at the end, such as colored pencils, markers, or crayons. Using a pencil first is helpful because this design has repeating curved shapes, and it's much easier to adjust your lines before making them final. Begin by drawing a rounded loop shape near the center of your paper. Try to keep it smooth and even, almost like a soft ribbon bending into itself. Don't worry if it isn't perfect on the first try. The goal at this stage is simply to create a clean starting shape that will guide the rest of the logo. Next, add more connected loop shapes around the center. As you draw each one, think about how they fit together like interlocking curved sections. The design works best when the loops feel consistent in size and spacing, so move slowly and give yourself time to compare one side to the other. If needed, lightly sketch first and then refine the curves. As the shape grows, focus on keeping the lines balanced and symmetrical. This is one of the most important parts of drawing this logo. Since the pattern repeats around the center, small differences can stand out, so it helps to pause every few lines and check the overall shape. You can even turn the paper slightly while drawing to make the curves feel more natural in your hand. Now slowly connect the shapes so they form the full ChatGPT logo pattern. Work one section at a time rather than trying to finish the entire design all at once. This makes it easier to control the flow of the curves and helps the pattern look neat and organized. Keep your lines light until you're satisfied with how everything fits together. Once your sketch looks clean, trace the final outline. Go over the main lines with a little more pressure so the finished shape stands out clearly. Try to keep this pass smooth and confident since this is what will define the final look of the drawing. After that, erase any extra guidelines or rough marks that are still visible. This will make the logo look polished and complete. To finish, color or shade the logo however you like. You can keep it simple with a solid fill or add gentle shading for more depth. Take your time with the final touches and you'll end up with a clean, recognizable version of the ChatGPT logo.